G'day guys, you're back with MiracleMAX. Today in the workshop we have a Volkswagen Passat 2015 model with a 1.8 litre turboed engine in it, if I got my facts straight. Well, what we're doing today is a cabin filter. So I'll show you the process of how to do it. It's not that hard, so let's get into it. So yes, normally we would remove the glove box and it's hidden in behind there, not on this particular one. Let's go for a deep dive, shall we? Dive, 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 and we flip back up this way. Now, can you see this panel here? See if I can get it in frame for you. This little foamy looking thing here. It has a couple of clips on it. We undo those clippages. Come on, fella. Oh, dude. And there's another one over this side. That bloke right there. Get him undone and that panel should drop down. There we go. And panel, come on panel, like that. And hidden up behind there, as you can see, is our cabin filter little trapdoor. So that needs to be removed. And on this model, they just slide right out like a DOS. Don't lose it all, Max. Little leafages and stuff like that, so we'll get rid of that shortly. On the ground, might have to push that in a touch there over that side just to get that out. Oh, it's got a fair bit in it, eh? Just notice the flow direction. So the flow direction goes that way. Before we pull it out, that is. Get all that out. Oh, dude, bit of cleaning up afterwards, I believe. Bit of bending and folding and stretching and pulling and that sort of stuff. Oops, I think I broke it. Rude. There we go. And you can see that there's a cutaway or a side bit on there that goes to the left hand side. So I'll pop him out. So as you can see, it's done its job. It's full of greeblies in there all over the shop. But yeah, it's time for replacement. But yeah, it's done its job very well. No probs. And over this side, we can see that it's no greeblage has come through. It's certainly dirty, but all the stuff hasn't come through. So the filter's done its job. So let's put the new one in. Of course, I'm not a sponsor, but hey, the amount of advertising that I do for Westfield, I should get some sort of sponsorship out of them. Hey guys, give us a phone call or an email, catch up with me and I will help you. There's our part number right there, just to make your job easier. I guess the beauty of this particular filter is you can't get it wrong. This cutaway has to go to the left-hand side. All right, let's see if we can get this guy in. A bit of leverage is involved. A bit of wigglage. A bit of grunting and groaning, I'm sure. You just got to sort of twist or push it in, sort of toward the front of the vehicle there, to get it straight, because it's sort of got to go in like that. Once we get it over this lip on that side, it should go up that side nicely. Okay, we push that into that. As you can see, there's little slots cut in the cabin filter itself, and it's got these little hooky things that go through each one, and of course there's another set on the other side. This in turn gets pushed up and then pushed back that way to engage the whole thing. And we just slide him up like that. You can feel it go into the little holes, and then just push it one way, give it a good heave ho, and it should be home. A bit more I'm thinking there, Max. Not quite. There we go. So it should be flush this side and this side, of course, and that feels good to me. So it's located nicely, no problemos there. Our little foam piece needs to go back into place, doesn't it? So once the foam piece is up in place, put those screws back in where they belong. They're a fairly coarse thread, so they shouldn't take too many turns before they get tight. See? Fairly coarse. And this bloke over here goes into that bit right there. Okay, so our foamy panel is back in place. As far as I'm concerned, the job's not done until that mat is neat and tidy. Whether you drop the debris or not doesn't matter. If you clean it up, it shows that you care. There you go. Didn't take long at all just to pull the mat out and tidy it up. but that shows that we care and we want to do the best professional job for our customer. There you go, you've now got yourself some more mad skills. You can chuck this one in your playlist. It's a cabin filter replacement for a 2015 Volkswagen Passat with a 1.8 litre turbo engine in it. Not that that makes a scrap of difference to the cabin filter. Anyway, you know what I mean. I hope you got something from this video today, guys, and if you did and you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like, comment down below, listen out for that notification bell. I've got to finish the rest of this service, so I'm going to leave it with you today. This is MiracleMAX signing off. I will catch you later.